Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube sound not working on Chrome browser. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to play a YouTube video, and for some reason the sound isn't working. How do you actually go ahead about fixing that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, I tried to figure it out myself, and I recently just solved this issue. The first thing that you want to do, which is the most obvious and which is what you've done, you've probably made sure that the volume is not muted, right? So on your YouTube player, you just got to make sure it's not muted, and that's step one. Now, the solution that worked for me is that if you're on a Chrome browser and you right-click the tab that you're on, you have to click on unmute. So right-click and then unmute, and that's going to unmute your site. So for some reason, my tab on my Chrome browser was muted. Maybe I accidentally enabled somehow, and that was allowing it so that the YouTube sound on my video was not playing. So even though I played the video, there was no sound, but once I clicked on unmute site, I now was able to fix the YouTube sound. But there you have it, guys. I hope this video helps you out. I don't know how that happened on my browser, but I hope it helps you out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.